Well, hello everyone. My name's Anthony, and you know, s- I have had many people um, coming on to the. I'm trying to get my mic fixed here. Um, Many people coming on and looking at the message at the video on pain relief, which tells me there's a lot of people in pain, and I know that because I'm one of them. And that's why I'm doing these videos, is because of my own pain and because I know everybody out there is having issues with this. It's not individual. It's not just me. It's not just one other person. There are thousands of. I can see now that I'm not having sound on. So now my sound should be on. Let's see. Looks like I got sound. God, I can't believe I did that. All right. Well, you know what? Crap happens all the time. Doesn't matter who, where, what, whatever. Um, I'm Anthony, and the reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to talk about pain and pain relief because so many people out there do have pain. And so many people are out there not knowing what to do about it, or they may not even have a doctor to go to for this. So, and I'm just trying to look at my camera here and set this up so I can see what the hell I'm doing. Let's see, where is it? Yes, that's better. All right. So far, no one's even watching, which is fine with me. Um, Everything is working. I see mics going. Okay, good. Um, so one of the things I wanted to do was talk about how pain works and how when when we have pain, the pain or the signal of the pain is moving through your nervous system and your brain, right? And that's what happens. That's what happens to our pain. It starts to become ingrained in our system. And when that happens, the only way to undo that pain is to either take medication, do some movement to change it, or to do something to counteract the pain. So, what we're going to do right now is something that I've been watching uh, other people do, and it's not new. It's been around for like 30, 40 years and longer. And it's stuff that Martha Beck does. And so you don't have to know anything about it. You don't have to even, all you have to do is if you have pain and you're stressed out or have anxiety, depression, and you want to just relax a minute, that's what we're going to do here. So, what I'd like you to do is just take a nice breath in, exhale, and just try to sit as good as you can in your chair with your back straight, your arms, you know, somewhat level if you can, um, supported, feeling good with your feet on the floor, and just allow your body to be there. And you can do this with your eyes closed, whether they're closed, open, it doesn't even matter. So just listen to the questions. You don't have to answer them at all. You just have to listen to them and follow whatever it is they're saying. But you don't have to figure anything out, but just be there with them. Okay. So, can you imagine the distance between your eyes? Can you imagine the distance between your eyes? And then, can you also imagine the space At the back of your head, opposite side, just feel the space at the back of your head, knowing that as you're aware of that, everything starts to relax. Feel that space at the back of your head expanding out and relaxing your entire body. Yes. And then allow your focus to be at the back of your spine, mid-spine, all the way down to the base of your spine. Imagine the base of your spine supporting your body, feeling supported and centered in your body, and the trillions of atoms that are holding your body together. And then let's imagine the space at the back of your legs, sitting, feeling the legs at the back of the seat you're supported in. All those atoms supporting you. And then let's move down to our feet to feel the groundedness of the feet into the ground. And as we do that, our feet connect with the earth and we feel the energy of the earth connecting to us. And you can allow that energy to move up through you if you like. You don't have to. Nothing's required of you. This is for anybody who just wants to relax. Now let's imagine, you can open your eyes now and just imagine your whole room around you. Expand your imagination. You don't have to expand it. You don't have to have an imagination. Just open your eyes. See the panoramic view of your room. What are you seeing? Take it all in. Scan the room. Take it all in. Let the energy come in and feel it. And then let's go back to the body and the center of your sternum, the center of your chest. You can put your hand here if you want to feel it, because feeling this will also make you feel connected to your body. And can you imagine the space at the back of your neck? Can you imagine the space at the back of your neck, your pain, and the lower lip of your chin? Feeling the lower lip of your chin. And then we can move back to the back of your neck again. Move down toward the back, the mid-back. Feel the expansion of your chest, how it contracts and relaxes. This is very good for relaxing your body and taking it all in. And I know that I'm going to kind of come out of this a little bit, because if I do this much longer, I'm going to probably nod off here. So the reason I'm doing this is because I see a lot of people in pain. I have pain, and I'm working with it daily. And I can tell you these things work. Some of them might seem a little woo-woo, but I've already done that stuff. I've already done so much. And it really is time for me to share it, to allow people to see what's out there, to see the other forms of healing as far as the body goes. On this hand, I've done at least 5 of them in my younger years of working. Massage, Reiki, shamanic healing, Akashic records, um, orthobionomy. How's that one for a big long word? Um, and in the medical field, I've done CNA, LPN nursing. I've worked with post-surgical people. I've worked with people that are quadriplegics. I've worked with people that only have motion in their mouth and very restricted. And so what I found is it's very interesting to work with all the different people out there and all the different ways that I got to respond and talk to people. So, and I learned stuff from everybody that I was with. So, anyway, my question is also that I open it to you. What do you need for today? What is it that you need in your life? What kind of healing do you need? What do you need to be a part of today? What tribe do you belong to? Who are your people? How do you find healing in the world? How do you find healing? Is it through a doctor? Is it through a chiropractor, a massage therapist, an energy healer, a shaman? Or do you go within to see what the universe is telling you? Do you listen inside here to know what's going on? So, this is my opening to tell you that I'm here and I'm looking to help people who want to be helped and who really are needing assistance with depression, anxiety. Those are other things I've worked with and have seen unbelievable things happen with in my own life. And actually with veterans too, I've seen tons of them that how they have moved from this very depressed state to something much more available to themselves. So I'm just saying that you're welcome here. I'm welcoming you to give questions, listen to you, and expand the Heal, Lead, Teach space into something people can use daily in their lives. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, fine. If you didn't, that's okay too. If you liked it, subscribe. No cost to subscribe. I'll have some extra videos up here for those who liked it and wanted to see more of it. And thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and we will see you again. Bye bye.